Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into storage installation step by step, clean and simple. So if you are ready to get your storage up and running, you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Niro Shukla and I am a technical consultant at Excel Design Technologies. And thanks for joining today's video. Before we begin, if you haven't installed Siemens license server yet, make sure to check that out first. Click the icon on the top right corner to watch our previous video. It's highly recommended before you install storage. So go to the support center and download the latest version of the storage installer. The download will typically be in a zip file. And once you download it, extract the files using tools like WinRR or 7-zip. So both are free to use. After extraction, you will have two folders containing all the setup files required to install storage. So open the folder and double click on the setup.exe to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to enter your username, company name, units, and optionally change the installation directory. You can keep the default directory if you prefer. Once filled in, click next to proceed. The installer will begin setting up the storage core applications, keyshot integration for rendering, Siemens connectors, and the other supporting files. Now, installation time may vary depending on your system performance, and give it a few minutes to get it done. Once installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to close the setup. Storage is now installed and ready to use. To summarize, we downloaded and extracted the storage installer, ran the setup and entered the required details, installed the full application and components, and finally completed setup successfully. Now you are ready to launch storage and begin designing. If you haven't already configured the Siemens license server, make sure to check out the video link in the I icon earlier. If you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. I am Niro Shukla from Excel Design Technologies. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep designing.